Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bookmark using Safari. First of all, let's launch the Safari. And for example, today, let's say we want to find a particular page for celebrity. Let's say, for example, we want to go to Ronaldo's website, right? So for example, we want to look into Ronaldo or Ronaldo's news. All you gotta do at this point is you gotta click in the middle of the lower right corner where you see the arrow pointing up. You click on this, you want to scroll down and you want to click add bookmark. Very important here is that you can actually change the name of the bookmark. It doesn't have to be the exact website because you have the link of the website beneath. So you can actually change the title. And this is very important because if you have multiple different bookmarks, it will be much easier for you just to scroll through the titles to the names that you actually put individually rather than going through the links and trying to find out which one is which. After you're done editing the name, for example, right, you click save and you move on. Now, I'm going to show you how you can actually find your bookmarks, right? Let's say we already saved the Ronaldo's bookmark and we saved already 10 or 15 different pages or websites. The easiest way to access your bookmark list is to click on the icon that is next to the arrow icon underneath. You see there is an icon that looks like an open book. You click on it and here you will have all your bookmarks, you will have all your favorites, you will have groups and other information that you previously opened and saved in form of a bookmark. This is very important and this is where the key role of you naming each and every page or each and every website will play a key role because it will save you a lot of time. Just think about if you on a daily basis save different bookmarks, different websites, it will be extremely hard for you to go back to 360 plus different website or pages or bookmarks, right? But now if you have a bookmark that it says Ronaldo or Ronaldo's website or Ronaldo's web page, it will be much easier to find it, right? Don't forget that you also can type and search in the search query bar that will help you to access the bookmark faster. Subscribe and come back for more.